Hi, I'm Pete from Interplay. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can design with production code components from your design system using the Interplay plugin. I've got IBM Carbon loaded here, which is one of the open source libraries you can try in the starter plan. This is the component list where you'll find all the components in your design system along with their examples and documentation. To add components to the canvas, select the example you'd like to add and then hit Insert or just drag it onto the canvas. Now, because the components in our library are actual code components, when we select a component, we can edit all of the React properties. This is quite a basic example at the minute, but we can see that it has properties for an ARIA label and content. Let's add some nested components to the content prop. Click the plus to see the available nested or child components. We're going to add a header navigation component, which contains a bunch of nav links. Then we can add a global header bar, which adds the search and menu actions to the right-hand side. Let's drill in and explore the navigation component. You can see it has a few header menu items and a header menu. The header menu looks like it has a drop-down. Let's toggle the expanded prop to open the drop-down. Let's quickly add another link to this menu. It looks like this link has been added in an active state, so let's drill in and set the current page prop to false, and then we can change the title of this link to new link. You can also navigate and add components using just the keyboard. So let's head back over to our component list and search for a sidebar, then right arrow to view the examples and docs and hit enter to add it to the canvas. As well as using code components, you can also add normal design elements. So let's add some text to the canvas. We're going to make a checkout page. So let's just style that text. I'm going to place it here and then we'll give this menu item and set the expanded property to false to quickly tuck it out of the way. Let's add a form to this page. We'll search for a form and then we'll select the checkout form. Now this is a really cool component because it contains a progress bar as well as all of the form fields which are fully interactive. Let's add another section below it for some FAQ about shipping. We'll add an accordion. Set that accordion item to be not open. That's looking pretty good. What we can do now is hit the play button and it'll pop out this design into the browser and run the full React component code. That means all of these components we've added in Figma work as you would expect in the browser. We can toggle the accordion sections open and closed. The form fields all work and all of these components are fully responsive as standard. So you've got tons of rich coded behavior that's all built in for free. Let's make a quick tweak to this button. We'll add a right arrow and then we'll set the type to secondary. When we jump over to our preview, it's updated in real time. So that's a quick overview of using the Interplay plugin. If you have any questions or suggestions, we'd love to hear from you on our Slack channel or drop us an email at hello@interplayapp.com.